my channel. My name is Charmaine. If you're new here, if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. Today we are going to be filming a get ready with me featuring a bunch of new products. I did the makeup routine that I do when I plan on going out and I just want to look good, but I used a bunch of new products and y'all, I've been sleeping. I look good. I did the back camera and everything and I'm a fan. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Guys, I've gotten so much more new makeup and I'm so excited to try. I just filmed a video trying one of the new products on my TikTok. Make sure you guys are following me on there. I'm just really excited to play into some of these things. Yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna start off using the, I think it's called Caudalie Paris. I'm almost done. This is their beauty elixir. I really like this. It's a great skin prep just to get your face ready. Of course, I'm using my e.l.f. I don't see the difference between this and the milk one, so I just be buying the e.l.f. one because it's $10. Why would I spend $30 when I could spend $10? I'm just getting over a cold, so if I sound really nasally or just like I got some problems, that's why. So the first new product that I'm going to be trying out is the Fenty Blur Stick. I tried this out on my TikTok and TikTok ate me up. This is such a good product. Look at the shade match, y'all. The shade match is insane. That's my skin. And I don't even need like a crazy amount of swipes. Recently, I don't know if it was the summer that changed me, but I just don't really like thick foundations. As long as my base is really smooth, especially since my skin is naturally pretty clear, I don't really need a crazy amount of coverage. If you're a girl who doesn't really have too much to cover and you don't really want anything too thick, I would definitely try this Blur Stick. It is so good. I literally feel like I have nothing on. I just love how it makes my face look really uniform. Still pretty full coverage, honestly. It really is just that girl. The next product that is new, but I've tried this out for you guys, is the Lancome Teint Idole. I mixed between this and my Too Faced. I really like this one. I keep seeing everyone talk about the Hourglass concealer. I was literally about to go buy it. I have this many concealers, so why am I buying the Lancome one? I always mix it with Warm Sand, which is just like a tad bit darker, a little bit closer to my skin tone. Definitely team Let It Sit, but I just want to show you guys that even if you don't let it sit, I'm still getting like full coverage with this product. But if you feel like you have a super like watery concealer, definitely let it sit. Just go in with the Warm Sand. So here I always get that bridge of my nose and right in the middle. I still have my Tarte concealers as well. I just don't really grab for them the way that I grab for my Too Faced. I don't know. I think Tarte might need to like up it a little bit. Maybe find a new formula. I'm gonna just add this brightening shade right here just to really cover that and make sure I look like I'm not dying. Now we need to add color back to our face. I went and picked up 3 of e.l.f.'s new liquid blushes and I'm super excited to try them. I got colors that I don't really have. I already have the Rare Beauty Happy, which is like the perfect pink shade. I got the color Coming in Hot Pink, Coral Crush, and Dusty Rose. This is like a muted pink color. This is a coral peachy shade, and then this is just like a crazy hot pink. I'm so used to just doing a regular pink, so I just really wanted to try something new and try something different. I don't really do corals, don't really do these bright colors. I also heard that these are like crazy pigmented, so I don't want to do too much. I'm just gonna add a dot. I just want to see how far a dot goes. I have a little stippling brush. I'm just gonna stipple. Ooh. I'm bringing it all the way up into my temple and all the way down to my cheek. That was literally 1 dot. That's crazy. I'll probably review the other colors on my TikTok. I just noticed that a lot of girls nowadays are bringing that blush like all the way to their temple. It's crazy pigmented. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that concealer back just so we have like a more natural gradient. It does look a little bit more blended. So we're gonna go in with our bronzer shade. Still trying to get into like contour and stuff, but I definitely bronze a lot more. And I'm gonna use the same blush stippling brush just to make sure that the colors are really mixed in together. I also have a feeling that with the powders and everything, this is gonna tone down, I hope. The thing I like about Rare Beauties, it's pigmented, but it blends so beautifully. I don't really have to like worry if I'm gonna look like a clown. This I'm a little scared, and that's why I haven't really bought the Juvias Place ones just yet, because it is so pigmented. Of course, I'm doing my iconic nose snatch. I do this on all my clients, and they're always like, girl, how did you make my nose look like that? Next product that I got was the Huda Beauty Powder. If you are an avid watcher of me, you know I am one size and Laura Mercier down. I got it in the shade Canufa, which is like a yellowish shade. I got this shade simply because I already have hella translucent, So I wanted to see how like a yellow powder looks on me. It's still a brightening powder, it's just a lot more yellow than I'm used to. I'm gonna do the exact same thing that I do with like my One Size and my Laura. So I'm just gonna look up. Oh, and this one has a scent. Ooh. And I always just press until I can't see it no more. The yellow is actually sort of cute. I'm not mad at the yellow. Oh, and y'all, I got my nails done today. They're so girly and so cute. I don't know if I could do this scent. I don't know how y'all do this. I'm literally just gonna push this in until I don't see it no more. This is super blurring though. I like that. The rest of my highlighted areas are now gonna be set with this powder. I feel like I look crazy. The pink is definitely toned down with all the powders. So we're gonna bring color back to my face because I look crazy right now. But I do look snatched. I don't know. I'm gonna be using the Sephora Micro Smooth, and this is in the shade Almond. And I always mix this with my One Size Beauty in the shade Medium Dark 1. It's a neutral golden color. This is my favorite mix of powders. I just feel like this makes my skin look like my skin. I still literally feel like I have nothing on my face. I don't like my makeup to feel like I have makeup on. Just a girl. So the next new product, this is not new, this is old. This is the old Morphe bronzer. This is their Glamour Bronze in the shade Big Shot. This is like a contour shade for me. I haven't had a good contour in a minute. So this is what I'm adding new to my routine. Y'all can already see my face already looks just from that. Juvia's place, they have a good contour in there, but this one is just a little bit deeper. It's not as warm, and I just feel like it really Now we're gonna do our nose, and I'm very delicate with my nose contour. I like to give, I don't know, Michael. I feel like Michael's a bit drastic, and I feel like that's disrespectful. But I really do though. The next thing that I'm updating in my makeup routine is eyeshadow. I do eyeshadow on everybody else, but I don't do eyeshadow on myself, and I just feel like I'm missing out. I'm taking the Bow Live Beauty Nude Persuasion palette, and I'm using the shade Caramel, which is my favorite brown to use, and I mix it with the shade Suntan. I'm just gonna be dusting that lightly all over my lid. I also am doing my brows completely last. I always make sure to get that in that eyebrow, even though my eyebrows aren't done just yet. You just want to make sure. I also am holding my brush super far from the front. Like, I'm not like digging. I'm super light with this because I want it to like fluff. This is definitely not an everyday makeup because I don't wear makeup every day, but this is going to be my new, like, I'm going out and I'm trying to look bad. So we're gonna be adding some shimmer to our lid. I'm gonna be doing like a champagne color. So we're gonna start off with this like pearly color, and I'm just gonna look down and just tap that on my lid. I just don't want it to look like silver, so I'm gonna be adding some gold in there. I don't think I look that good with like icy colors personally. So you see how I just turned hella gold? I recently have been doing eyeliner. You can already see my eyes have like a natural like ink because of the way that I did my concealer, but I low-key want to do a liner as well. I haven't really been reaching for my liquid liner recently. I've definitely been doing more powdered looks. So I'm going to take this color Cafe and Black Girl Magic. I'm going to take this angled brush, and I'm just going to do my liner with this. Drag it how I would do my liquid liner. Dip back in. Got a line. And I'm gonna go with that brown and really like mix that into my lash line. The problem now is to do it on the other eye. This one is hella thick. For some people like me, I just am better at doing it on other people, which is crazy. So now I'm gonna go in with this black eyeliner. My going out looks have been, I don't want to say sexy, you know, I'm still trying to be a woman of God, but it's just been giving like, I could look at you and be like, give me the money. Give me the dollar. I had the cutest small lashes and I can't find them. Sort of pissing me off because I really want to show you guys my new obsession, which is small lashes. But now I'm going to be using lashes that this wig company sent me, which they're usually like not that big, so I'm hoping that it gives me the look that I want. This is low-key big, no? I'm gonna just have to film another tutorial because I really want to show y'all my small lashes. I don't know what it is. I used to be a 25mm girly. You cannot tell me anything. But recently I just realized I look a lot prettier with smaller lashes. I think it fits my features a lot better. Yeah, these are like long. Y'all can let me know, but I feel like these are a little too big. So now we're gonna do our brows. My brows routine has not changed. My brows are still, oh, not you're lifting. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. Don't zoom. My routine has not changed. I'm still gonna literally just do a line at the bottom. And then I just do a line at the top. Don't get crazy. Where's that from? Brush that out. And you know I keep my brows super soft. I don't like a harsh brow. Now that our brows are done, we're gonna wipe away the powder. I always wipe away with my actual color powder before I add a lighter powder. We're just gonna do a nice little dust. Quick little spray down. Adding, of course, my e.l.f. I just love how this brightens everything up. So I always add some type of color at the bottom of my lashes. So I'm just gonna go into caramel, which was that first dark brown shade, and just go in my lashes. It just adds a little bit of depth. Next up we have mascara. I love the Essence mascara. They're $4.99. Why are you spending $20 on a mascara? I just love bottom lashes. There's just something about it. And take off our lip. So this is another new product that I've been trying, the Juvias Place lips. Never really got into Juvias Place lips. I love Morphe lip products. Obviously like MAC lip products, NYX lip products are really popular, but Juvias Place has some really good lip products. So using their lip liner in the shade Cola, as well as their new True Nude. It's like a lip gloss chapstick. I don't know, but I like how it looks. We're gonna overline our lips. If you know, you know. I love Morphe Virgin. This is the perfect liquid lip and it's the perfect pinky nude. Then I always have a little bit of Sephora 32, which is just like a super bright nude. Now time for gloss. This is where it all comes together. This is in the shade True Nude. I'm just gonna tap it on my lip and it's like a lip gloss. It's so cool, but it's in like a chapstick form. I don't really understand the formula, but I do think it's cool. Then of course, you already know I love my NYX Milky Gloss. Just put that right in the middle. The one thing that is missing for me is blush. I feel like this color blush just is really bringing out that gold in my eyes, and I love how beautiful this looks. My look is never complete without highlighter. I'm using the Natasha Denona Rose Cheek Duo. Cute little dot. We're gonna do our final set. Take off our little clippies. I didn't do any edges because I like how like natural it looks. I also am scared to do them. Okay, yeah, y'all, I'm so happy. The back camera confirmed that my lace is not too light and it's the same color and that I look good, okay? It's official. It's official. I'm gonna turn off all the lights so we can get like a how I look in the dark. I really like this. But y'all, Huda might have did her big one. I think I really like this just because it's more yellow. I'm always translucent and I think it just makes my skin look really good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to see more from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.